what I have here is a little RsStone special fine, and I like to put this over the top to kind of mimic like a lime wash. It does some pretty cool stuff. You're able to brush it on in places, and you're just like, well, I really don't see much there, Mike. You know, and at this point, you're absolutely right. You really don't see much happening, but it's very thin. Then I'm gonna take a little RsActivator. I got my spray bottle here. Spray it on there. And take my trowel around here. And I don't think I have enough on here to get any kind of reaction at the moment. So you're saying, well, what's so cool about that? Nothing's really cool about that, to be honest with you. Okay, so I put a little bit more on there. I'm gonna spray it again with the RsActivator and mix it on the wall again. And now you can see I have enough there where I'm getting a reaction where it looks old and funky and pulls off like there's pieces of plaster up there, and I can remove with my trowel just by pressing it, making it look old. If I don't like what I have going on there, it's easy enough. I can just brush through it. I can even take my brush and soften some of this stuff right here. So it's a pretty cool thing if you're trying to make an old wall. It allows you a lot of freedom. I'm not only having to put it on with the trowel. So I'm brushing it on in no particular direction, but you can see if I have it too thin, I don't get much reaction with that activator. So I have RsActivator again. I'm spraying it on there. This time I'm just gonna drag the brush through it and see how I get it to mix funny with even just the brush going through there. So if you don't like trowels, the brush will work. I can take a terry towel, dip it in a little water, and scrub it away if I wish, soften it. Allows me to do some pretty cool stuff. My favorite is still the trowel. I like going through it with the trowel, but some people are allergic to trowels. They don't much like working with them. I'm gonna brush some more of this stuff on. Spray a little more activator. Take my trowel and mix it around. So this makes a pretty neat, authentic old cement wall that you can get as creative as you want with it. I'm gonna take my terry towel, wring it out in some water, and I like to jitterbug it around. I'll break this up a little bit. If I don't like it, I could remove it. And even up here, I'm gonna break back through so it's not so uniform. So this product really makes for a good artistic alternative to doing old plaster that doesn't take a lot of physical strength. Nothing here is very heavy or requires a lot of arm strength to trowel. And if you are a good artist and don't have a lot of strength, I think you're going to enjoy this. So here I haven't done anything with, but you can start to see I have this whitish hazing thing, like the wall's a little older and the effervescence is coming up to the surface, which is actually what I'm trying to create there. I wouldn't use this one outside. This is more of an interior one. If I was going to use it outside, I'd seal it with an exterior sealer. All right, I think we're done.